Time now for couch confession. You're going to answer without thinking. Couch confession. If Anna is the heart, Kejriwal the brain, Bhushan the negotiator, Agnivesh the traitor, then what is Kiran Bedi? A spoke. Say the first thing that comes to mind when I say these names. Mr. Chidambaram.
Very cunning.
Rahul Gandhi.
Needs to learn so much more.
Kapil Sibal.
Keep away.
Pranav Mukherjee.
Lost out a lot.
Mr. Manmohan Singh.
Should learn to be more visible and reach out.
Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav.
Needs to go home.
Mr. L.K. Advani.
The patriarch of BJP.
Sushma Swaraj.
Outstanding woman.
Salman Khurshid.
Not in command.
Baba Ramdev.
Had hidden agendas.
Swami Agnivesh.
Lost out completely.
The police.
Stood out.
The media.
Made it.
Suppose the media decided to ignore it. Maybe it was 20 years ago and we didn't have this kind of media.
Well, then it would have been a different strategy. But media followed the people and then brought in more people.
Who runs your media campaign? Because it's superb. You know, even the idea of you taking your mobile phone and taking Anna from Tihar jail and putting it out on YouTube. I mean, these are amazing media strategies. Who runs your media campaign?
Nothing. It was all instinctive. I was with Anna that time and I realized, why can't I take a message out when I use my BlackBerry for my grandchild? Why can't I use my BlackBerry for Anna today and pass on the message? And I just shot it, put it on YouTube.
So this is not someone advising you. You don't have an entire campaign, media campaign manager.
We have a campaign manager, and we have an e-manager on the Twitter, the Facebook, the emails, the SMSs. But this was instinctive.
Back to the game. On what occasions do you lie?
Maybe to protect another's dignity.
Do you believe in God?
Yes, I have seen God. I've seen Almighty, the hand of Almighty at various turning points of our campaign. I've seen a hand of God. There were certain things beyond our control and things falling in places. Whose hand is it? It is the hand of nature or some divine force.
Who or what would you like to be reincarnated as?
Same girl with same parents.
And same life?
And same sisters and same husband, same daughter, same son-in-law.
So basically as Kiran Bedi.
As is. But nothing without my same parents. I love them.
If you were an all-powerful person in government, like let's say a healthy Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, and Team Anna came with the same demands at the same time, what would you have done differently?
Oh, this was an absolutely preventable problem. This was preventable. You can rewind it to October. You are in August. We could have stopped this issue in October, November itself.
So what is the key thing you would have done differently?
Oh, I would have called Anna and heard him. Called for a meeting and seen because then, and we could have put the team together and start working and start listening to people, because media was reporting but nobody was listening, and we kept saying, come and listen. Nobody came to listen. This was a totally preventable mass movement. We could have settled it in November itself.
And in your opinion, who is the least corrupt politician that we have now?
The youngsters, the Sindhyas, the Sachin Pilots, the Jyotirama, you know, these probably, I have a hope in the next generation. I don't know, but I would put my faith.
That's your opinion.
My opinion is on Generation Next.
And in your opinion, who would be the most corrupt politician?
Wait for the WikiLeaks.
But so you've seen it, so give us a preview.
But I don't want to mention names, right? That's defamatory. So I would rather say I would go by the authentication of WikiLeaks. The names are already there.